Thank you. The gentlewoman from Texas, Ms. Garcia, who is also the Vice Chair of the Subcommittee on Diversity and Inclusion, is now recognized for 5 minutes.
Thank you, Madam Chair, and thank you so much for bringing this hearing to the table today. It's really important for us to continue our oversight role in this committee, which, as you know, we've been doing and continue to do today. I want to thank all the witnesses. It's been a long day, and I want to apologize because you've seen me go in and out. I was triple booked this afternoon. I've been running to a markup in judiciary and a hearing at Armed Services, so I'm coming and going all in all directions. But I wanted to be here to ask some specific questions related to a bill that I recently introduced called the Multilingual Financial Literacy Act. This bill would direct the Financial Literacy Education Commission to conduct a study on the impact of limited English proficiency on financial health. In the U.S., over 20% of households speak a language other than English at home, and nearly 9% of individuals have limited English proficiency, meaning they speak English less than very well. This means that 26 million households in the United States have limited English proficiency, a huge number of potential customers in your language. It is important to me and to my constituents, which is, my district is about 77% Latino, and it's important to me and it's important for the economy that everyone have the same opportunity for financial health no matter what language they speak. So, Mr. Demchik, I want to begin with you. PNC Bank has started a new mobile branch service functioning in both English and Spanish for unbanked and underbanked communities in North Texas. This banking service operates in a 30-foot mobile unit resembling an RV. Residents have the option of withdrawing or depositing from an ATM, open bank accounts, applying for loans, and much more. Has this effort been successful so far, and have you been able to get a sense of the difference language inclusion makes in financial services, and are you expanding this to other mobile branches, and are you telling your stories so that perhaps some of the folks at the table with you can copy what you're doing?
Thank you for that. Yes, yes, and yes. We have a fleet of mobile branches that is growing every day. We deploy it into both rural and urban LMI communities, and the financial economics make sense because it can cover multiple communities out of one. It's fancier than an RV, but out of one big truck. And it offers every service that you can get in a traditional bank. So I'll stop there.
So it's
We're
what I
proud
call
of
the
it, and we
taco
would encourage
truck.
others to
I
do
call
it.
it the taco truck model.
It's the old bookmobile from when we were kids.
Well, I grew up in a rural community, and yes, the bookmobile came by every week during the summer, and my biggest disappointment was that before the end of the summer, I'd already read every damn book in the bookmobile. But I was an avid reader, and I certainly believe in mobile units. So thank you for doing that, and I hope that your colleagues are listening, because I think that's obviously a model that can be used to serve so many other underserved communities around our country. My next question is for Mr. Diamond. As I said earlier, my district is 77% Latino. I noticed in your written remarks that you said that J.P. Morgan Chase was advancing Hispanics and Latinos program, which is committed to creating a future for Hispanics and Latinos worldwide. What does that mean? Can you be specific as to what?
Say it again.
You said in your written testimony that you're advancing Hispanics and Latino programs, which are committed to creating a future where Hispanics and Latinos worldwide have opportunities to grow and thrive.
Yeah.
Could you be more specific?
We hire and train. We have special programs for mortgages, special programs for affordable housing, special programs for financial education. We have banks in the bus too. We have complete Hispanic speaking call centers, documents, forms.
No, Hispanic is not a language.
Spanish, I'm sorry.
Yes, sir.
And so we try to do all of that. And it's been quite successful if you want to come visit some of it.
Well, I mean, I certainly don't see much of it. if it's in Houston, I've not seen it in my neighborhoods.
It's in Houston.
So I just wondered if you could be specific about a program where you are really working and making sure that the Latino community is
I've
included.
been to those communities myself in Houston and stuff, and I'm going to send you all the documents and details.
All right, well, I look forward to seeing that. And just a last thing for Ms. Frazier, thank you for all the work. I noticed in your written testimony that you said you were the #1 affordable housing lender. Thank you. We need to do more. With that, I yield back.
Thank you.